Hi there! Welcome to IB Compass, a channel where we provide you with tailored guidance and proven strategies for the IB core, extended essay, TOK, and CAS, while supporting student confidence and well-being. The IB diploma program is a challenge. We all know this. You have your classes, your extended essay, your theory of knowledge. Then there is CAS. For so many students, CAS feels like another mountain to climb. You hear the words creativity, activity, service, and your mind immediately starts calculating the hours. You think about all the new things you have to start. It can feel overwhelming before you even begin, adding another layer of stress to an already demanding schedule. The idea of adding more commitments feels impossible. Many students see CAS as a separate box they have to tick. We force it. We try to squeeze it into the tiny gaps in our schedules. This approach is not sustainable and misses the point. CAS was never designed to be a source of anxiety. So let's change our perspective. Let's stop looking at CAS as a separate entity that invades our life. Instead, see it as a framework that can give structure and recognition to the things you already do and love. The goal is not to add more to your plate. The goal is to relabel what is already on your plate. By shifting your mindset, you can transform this mountain of stress into a path of discovery. Stop forcing CAS into your life. Start finding CAS within your life. This small mental switch is the key to unlocking a positive and successful experience. The secret to conquering CAS is realizing that it's not about starting from scratch. It's about looking at your life through a new lens. Think about what you do when you are not studying. What do you genuinely enjoy? These are not distractions. They are the foundation of your CAS experience. The activities you already love are your secret weapon. Creativity is not just painting a masterpiece. It's exploring and extending ideas. Do you love trying new recipes? Do you learn guitar chords online? Activity isn't just being a star athlete. It's physical exertion that supports a healthy lifestyle. Do you walk your dog every day? Do you dance in your room? Service isn't just volunteering abroad. It's collaborative, reciprocal community engagement. Once you see hobbies this way, pressure fades. Weekly basketball with friends equals activity. Writing stories or editing videos equals creativity. Helping a younger sibling with homework equals service. Suddenly, you're not starting from zero. You're starting from passion and commitment. The key is to be intentional. Treat your hobby as a CAS experience. Set a small goal. If you love to draw, complete 5 sketches in a month. If you enjoy jogging, increase distance a bit each week. Setting goals and reflecting elevates a hobby into CAS. You're not changing what you do, you're changing how you think about it. This shift makes all the difference. Once you are comfortable identifying the CAS elements in your daily life, you can start thinking bigger. This is where the real fun begins. You can take a personal hobby and expand it into something that involves others, creating a richer and more impactful experience. This step helps you develop leadership and organizational skills that will benefit you long after you complete the IB. Suppose your activity is jogging alone in the park. How can you level this up? You could start a small, informal running club with a few friends. You could meet twice a week and set a collective goal, like preparing for a local 5K charity run. By organizing this, you are not only fulfilling your activity strand, but also incorporating elements of service if it's for charity, and building a community. Consider a creativity example, like baking. You love trying new cake recipes. To level this up, you could organize a bake sale with a few friends to raise money for a cause you care about. This project combines your creative skill, like baking, with service, such as fundraising. You would need to plan the event, delegate tasks, manage the money, and work as a team. You are not just baking anymore. You are leading, collaborating, and making a tangible difference in your community. Maybe you started by tutoring your younger cousin in math. To expand this, you could talk to a teacher at your school and organize a peer tutoring program for younger students. You could recruit a few of your friends who are strong in different subjects and set up a weekly help desk in the library. This takes your individual act of service and scales it up to create a sustainable system that helps many more people. It shows initiative and a commitment to addressing a need within your community, which is exactly what IB evaluators love to see. The ultimate goal is to stop thinking about doing CAS and start living a CAS life. This means seamlessly integrating creativity, activity, service into your weekly routine. When CAS is woven into the fabric of your real life, it no longer feels like a burden. It becomes a natural extension of who you are and what you enjoy. Imagine your week. Monday is your study group for chemistry, which covers service. On Wednesday, you have your weekly soccer practice. That's activity. On Friday evening, you unwind by working on your digital art portfolio, which is creativity. On Saturday, you volunteer for a few hours at the local animal shelter, so that's more service. None of these activities were invented for CAS. They are part of your balanced life, your hobbies, and your commitments. By simply documenting them and reflecting on them, you are effortlessly fulfilling most of the CAS requirements. When you are genuinely engaged in an activity you love, you will have more to say about it. Your reflections will be authentic because you will be writing about real challenges, real growth, and real achievements. So, I encourage you to take a step back. Look at your life, your passions, and your schedule. Design your CAS program around who you are, not the other way around. Choose activities that excite you and give you energy. Let CAS be your reason to invest more time in your hobbies, not a reason to sacrifice them. When you integrate CAS into your life, you are not just checking a box for the IB diploma. You are building habits for a balanced, engaged, and fulfilling life. You are making your IB journey less stressful and, honestly, infinitely more rewarding. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel.